Hey YouTube, SpiderCo Fan 99 here, and this is going to be another Zippo trick video. I'm going to show like a couple tricks. So a lot of people know this trick. It's the top pop, I think. Put your two fingers up there, and then make sure it's like that, and then you grab it and pop it. And then you can light it and then spin it around. Now I'll show that trick one more time. When you light it, you grab it like this, spin it around, and then flick it down. And there's another trick like that. You just grab it so it flips down like that. Light it and then flick it back up. You can see that I'm not very good with Zippos probably. But yeah, there's that top pop again. I can't even do that. That one. And there's this other one I learned the other day. It's a bottom pop. So you have the hinge facing out that way. And you pop it like that, light it, and then flick it up. And like, there's other stuff that I do like that. Light it and do the spinning around thing, and flick it down. I don't know. I'm just messing around. So yeah. This is probably my favorite way. Light it like that. And that's it. That was just some more Zippo tricks. So yeah. I'm done. Peace out.